Hey everyone, gonna finish today's jump rope session with some high knees, and I'll show you 3 different variations of high knees. So I'm gonna do these high knees using the run in place. So I'll show you the first variation, which involves doing one high knee before going back into the run in place for a few steps before doing a high knee with the other foot. So here. Fantastic. Move. So the run in place is such a versatile move. Combine it with so many different jump rope moves. So this is variation 1. High knees and then into the run in place. Now I'll show you the second variation. It's a little bit more advanced. You're going from a high knee with one leg right into a high knee with the other leg. So here goes. This is much more advanced, much more fatiguing. Don't be surprised if you can only do a few repetitions of that combination before fatigue really sets in. Of course, you can take a rest, perform it again. Now into the third variation, which involves holding the high knee with one leg while hopping with the other leg, and then alternating. So I'll show you what that looks like. Hold the high knee, change, 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 change. And you could, of course, throw in a run in place or a few run in place steps between those high knee holds, like so. So there are a few high leg, high knee variations which you could consider trying. The jump rope run in place, the jog step, such a versatile jump rope move. There I combined it with high legs, high knees. All right, I really hope you enjoyed this short video.